today in the early morning, a team led by Rajaram Patil, senior food safety officer, they came to the Margao bus stand. And last week also we had come here to check the food items that are being transported to the local travels, the interstate travels. So last week we had got some few items that were not being bought in proper conditions. So we continued the surveillance drive, and today also we have found a huge quantity of milk item, paneer, which has been bought from the neighboring states. So upon investigation, it is seen that this paneer is come without any label declarations, and also there is some curd which has a date of the next day, that is 3rd. So we have detained this stock, and since there are no labels, we will be destroying it, and also samples have been drawn to analyze to check whether it is substandard and whether there is any possibility of addition any oil in the paneer. So that will also be done, and in a week or so the reports will be out. So besides paneer, we have found some other items also, like some fried onions which are being used in biryani, which have been bought without labels. So all these items have been confiscated, and we will be continuing this surveillance drive to ensure that all the transport chain is secured, to ensure that all the things are coming with the proper conditions and labels. So the surveillance drive will continue to make sure that all these gaps are tightened.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.